Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to create a simple budget in Google Sheets. Let's get started. First, open Google Sheets and create a new blank spreadsheet. Now add two column headings, category and amount. Next, enter your budget information, such as income, rent, food, transport, and savings. Then enter the amount for each category. To make your budget easier to read, select the headings and click the bold button. You can also change the cell color and resize the columns to make everything look more organized. If you want, you can format the amount column as currency so the numbers are easier to understand. Google Sheets automatically saves all your changes, so you don't need to save the file manually. That's it. This is how you can create a simple budget in Google Sheets. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell for more Google Sheets tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.